Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to book on Vagaro. Vagaro is a popular online booking platform that's used by businesses all over the world. It's a great way to book appointments for your business, and it's also a great way to find new customers. What is Vagaro? Before we get started, let's take a quick look at what Vagaro is. Vagaro is an online booking platform that's used by businesses all over the world. It's a great way to book appointments for your business, and it's also a great way to find new customers. Vagaro offers a variety of features, including online booking, appointment reminders, customer management, marketing tools, how to book on Vagaro. Now that we know what Vagaro is, let's get started on how to book on Vagaro. Go to the Vagaro website and create an account. Once you have created an account, you will need to add your business information. Once you have added your business information, you can start creating appointments. To create an appointment, you will need to select the service that you want to book, the date and time of the appointment, and the client. Once you have created an appointment, you can send an email confirmation to the client. The client can then click on the link in the email confirmation to book the appointment. Additional tips: you can also use Vagaro to book appointments for other businesses. You can use Vagaro to create custom appointment forms. You can use Vagaro to track your appointments and customer information. You can use Vagaro to send marketing emails to your customers. I hope this video has helped you learn how to book on Vagaro. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.